Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the occultist game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you can go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as, and after restarting your PC, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first you need to search for the game. Here is the game. If you cannot find the game over here, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to delete config folder. So for that, you have to go to the users folder, go to file explorer, now click on users folder. After that, click on your name folder. Here you have to open app data. If you cannot find app data, click on view and then click on show, and then click on hidden items. So this will open app data folder. Open it, click on here, and after that search for the game folder. So go below, here is a game folder, open it, open saved folder, and here you can find the config folder. You simply need to delete it, right click on it and click on delete option. After deleting the config folder, now launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you can come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type d3d11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you need to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you should enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the image here. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will surely help to fix the issue. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time, and after it is finished, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game again and then check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Windows Update option. Now click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. What you need to do is just go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After that, again go to the Windows search for control panel. After that, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check. But later on again come back and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Then here you have to search for graphics settings. Open it and have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, then the final method is to reinstall the occultist game. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall the occultist game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the occultist game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, stuttering, low FPS, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.